to me like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here and show you some new products that I have purchased. So these are from the brand on TikTok called Beatface Cosmetics. It looks like this. This is their kind of packaging. Yeah, really nice, love it. So I have just done like a day to night look, and this is like the nighttime look, and as you can tell I have got hella loads of blush on, and it's because I went a little too ham with the blusher, but that is the blusher that I'm wearing. It's one of these ones. Now this is the blusher that I'm wearing. These can be found on TikTok shop. This one doesn't have a name because it's like one that she's going to bring out, so she doesn't have a name yet, the girl that owns the brand. But yeah, so this is her little blushers, and Lucy already stuck her fingernail in it. But it's got a little mirror on one side, and then this is the shade. These are super pigmented, like super pigmented. This is the colour that I've got on my cheeks, and as you can tell I dipped in a little bit too much, and like super pigmented. I have went a little bit more sort of pinky, a little bit more out there, just for this kind of look. This is like the nighttime look to the daytime look that I've done earlier on. This is another blush that I purchased. Again, absolutely loving the packaging, super cute, love it, the pink and the gold. This one is called Kylie, and it's your super pink, bright Barbie pink powder blush there. It's just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, loving that at the moment. I also picked up some of her lip glosses, and she did actually also send me a little freebie, which was her little kind of face powder sponge things. See, like the wee powders that you go under your eyes and stuff. She's got some of them as well, so I'm going to try them out. So I got 3 lip glosses. This is what the packaging looks like for the lip glosses. Again, super cute with the pink and the gold. This one is in the shade Pink Mauve. Now Pink Mauve is the colour that I've got on my lips at the moment. This is the packaging. I love the gradient effect. I like that you can see the colour at the end. It's got the name on the bottom as well in gold writing. I've not been sponsored or anything for this video. I'm doing a video purely because I found the brand and I've been trying their products for about a week and a half now, and I just absolutely love them, and it's lip glosses and stuff that I constantly wear now. So this is the shade Pink Mauve. They smell lovely as well. They smell of vanilla. So this one is the shade Pink Mauve. This one is in the shade just Mauve, or mauve, however you want to say it. Again, really nice packaging, loving that. So this is the shade Mauve. It's just more sort of nuder, it's not as pink. So that is Mauve, and that is Pink Mauve. There is a slight difference, not super noticeable, but you can tell that there is a little bit of a difference there. This one is in the shade True Nude. This is the darkest one that I picked up. Again, super stunning packaging. This is True Nude. So they're super creamy lip glosses. They are quite pigmented. Do put like a nice little colour on the lips. So that one's True Nude, Mauve and Pink Mauve. That's the colours there. Scent is really nice. It makes you want to lick your lips and eat the lip gloss. I did get a lip liner as well, just because she was doing a little bundle, and this is the lip liner in the shade Cocoa. So that is the lip liner in the shade Cocoa. Really nice lip liner. Again, super creamy. Really nice design. It says Cocoa on the end here as well. So I did also get a little highlighter, and this is in the shades Golden Peach. So that just looks like this. So this is a loose highlighter, and it is super nice. I'll try and put all the colour. Look at that colour. Stunning. Super glittery though, so if you're not into super glittery highlighters, then this probably isn't for you, but it's super pretty. And you bet your bottom dollar I'm about to put some of this on my face. Wow. Look at that. It's like putting glitter on your face. Sorry if you can hear Ava coughing, by the way, she's having a bit of a coughing fit at the moment. Go, look at that. Wow. I'm just going to add it over this side so you can already see I've got a little bit of the Like a Diamond highlighter on, but I'm just going to put this over the top and it just goes even more glowy. So yeah, I'm super glowy and I'm super blushy at the moment. Just wanted to come on here and show you some of the products that I picked up. Quite obsessed with them at the moment. Actually, that's the first time I've used that highlighter though. It's a few times I've used these blushes and they are super pigmented, and the lip glosses I've been wearing whenever I've been doing makeup, it's just been the ones I've been kind of grabbing. Super cute brand, really nice products, and yeah, go and check them out on TikTok. They're always doing like regular deals and bundles and stuff as well, so yeah, definitely check them out if you're in the hunt for some new makeup products. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!